Have you ever wondered why the sun or the moon sometimes disappears during the day or night? Well, you're about to find out. In the vast expanse of our universe, where celestial bodies dance in an orchestrated ballet, there are moments of cosmic drama that capture our attention like no other. These are the moments when our sun or moon momentarily disappears, only to reappear as if by magic. This intriguing phenomenon is known as an eclipse. Eclipses are celestial events that have fascinated humankind since the dawn of time. They occur when one celestial body obscures the light from another. Picture this. You're standing on Earth, gazing up at the clear sky. Suddenly, a celestial body moves between you and the light source, be it the sun or the moon, and for a moment that light source seems to vanish. This celestial hide-and-seek is what we call an eclipse. The word eclipse itself originates from the ancient Greek word eklipsis, which means a falling away or an abandonment. Quite fitting, isn't it? Now, it's worth noting that eclipses are not exclusive to our planet. They occur throughout the universe wherever light and celestial bodies interact. However, we on Earth are in a unique position to witness these events due to our proximity to the sun and the moon. There are different types of eclipses, each with its own unique characteristics and beauty. Some are subtle, with the celestial body only partially obscuring the light, while others are total, where the celestial body completely blocks the light source. These varying types of eclipses allow us to appreciate the intricate ballet of the universe. They remind us of our place in the cosmos and inspire us to delve deeper into the mysteries of the celestial sphere. So now that we know what an eclipse is, let's delve deeper into the different types of eclipses. Imagine you're outside on a bright sunny day, and suddenly it starts to get dark. What's happening? You're experiencing a solar eclipse. A solar eclipse is an extraordinary phenomenon that occurs when the moon comes between the Earth and the sun. This alignment causes the moon to cast a shadow on Earth, blocking the sunlight and creating an eerie twilight in the middle of the day. There are three types of solar eclipses: total, partial, and annular. Let's start with the total solar eclipse, which is often considered the most spectacular. During a total solar eclipse, the moon perfectly aligns with the sun, completely obscuring it from view. For a brief moment, day turns into night, stars become visible, and the sun's outer atmosphere, or corona, appears as a glowing halo around the moon. This breathtaking sight can only be seen from a specific area on Earth, known as the path of totality. Next is the partial solar eclipse. This happens when the moon only partially obscures the sun. The effect is as if someone took a bite out of the sun, with the moon covering a portion of it. This type of eclipse can be observed over a much larger area than a total solar eclipse. Finally, we have the annular solar eclipse, also known as the Ring of Fire eclipse. This occurs when the moon is at its furthest point from Earth in its orbit, making it appear smaller in the sky. As a result, it doesn't completely cover the sun, leaving a bright ring, or annulus, visible around the moon. Each type of solar eclipse offers a unique spectacle that is a testament to the precise mechanics of our solar system. These events provide not just a stunning visual display, but also valuable opportunities for scientists to study the sun's corona and other aspects of solar physics. So, that's how the moon can turn day into night. But what about when the Earth gets in the way of the moon's light? Scene script. Have you ever seen the full moon change color and wondered why? You might have witnessed a lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse is a fascinating celestial event that occurs when the Earth positions itself between the sun and the moon, casting its shadow on the moon. This alignment blocks the sunlight from reaching the moon, and as a result, we on Earth get to see a dramatic transformation of the moon's appearance. There are three types of lunar eclipses: total, partial, and penumbral. Each of these types presents a unique spectacle in the night sky, and here's why. In a total lunar eclipse, the Earth's shadow completely covers the moon. It's during this stage that the moon can take on a reddish hue. Surprisingly, even though the Earth is blocking direct sunlight from reaching the moon, some sunlight still manages to reach it. This light has passed through the Earth's atmosphere, which filters out most of the blue light. The remaining light is a deep red or orange in color and is enough to give the moon a dark glow. Next, we have a partial lunar eclipse. As the name suggests, during a partial lunar eclipse, only a portion of the moon passes through the Earth's shadow. This results in the moon appearing as if a dark bite has been taken out of it. The size of this bite varies from one eclipse to another, depending on the specific alignment of the Earth, Sun, and Moon. Finally, there's the penumbral lunar eclipse, which is the most subtle of the three. During a penumbral eclipse, the moon passes through the outer part of the Earth's shadow, called the penumbra. This results in a very slight darkening of the moon, which can be difficult to observe without the aid of telescopic equipment. So the next time you see the moon changing color or appearing as if a bite has been taken out of it, you'll know exactly what's happening. It's the Earth playing with shadows and light, creating a celestial spectacle for us to marvel at. That's how the Earth can change the color of the moon. But let's not forget there's a third kind of eclipse. What if I told you that sometimes an eclipse can be both a solar and a lunar eclipse? This is what we call a hybrid eclipse. Now you might be thinking, how can an eclipse be both? It's like having your cake and eating it too, right? Well, let's delve into the captivating world of hybrid eclipses. Hybrid eclipses, also known as annular total eclipses, are the rarest type of eclipse. They're an intriguing blend of total and annular eclipses, hence the name. This unique phenomenon occurs when the moon's distance from the Earth is almost exactly the same as the distance required for a total eclipse and an annular eclipse. From some parts of the world, a hybrid eclipse appears as a total eclipse, where the moon fully covers the sun, plunging the day into darkness. It's an awe-inspiring sight, one that's been the subject of folklore and mythology for centuries. The sun's corona, its outermost layer, becomes visible, shimmering like a radiant crown in the darkened sky. However, from other locations, the same hybrid eclipse appears as an annular eclipse, where the moon is centrally positioned but does not completely cover the sun. This results in a mesmerizing ring of fire effect, with the sun's disk blazing around the moon's silhouette. The reason behind this duality lies in the Earth's curvature. As the shadow of the moon moves across the Earth's surface, the curvature causes a shift in the moon's apparent size. Hence, the eclipse transitions from total to annular, or vice versa, during its passage. These hybrid eclipses are indeed a testament to the fascinating dynamics of our solar system. It's a celestial dance of sorts, with the sun, moon, and Earth performing in perfect harmony to create a spectacle that's as rare as it is beautiful. So, those are the three types of eclipses. Let's recap what we've learned. Eclipses are an amazing celestial event that has fascinated humans for centuries. Just like a well-orchestrated cosmic ballet, these spectacular phenomena unfold right before our eyes, painting a breathtaking tableau on the vast canvas of the sky. Over the course of this journey, we've delved into the mesmerizing world of eclipses, exploring their various types and understanding their unique characteristics. We started off by exploring the general concept of an eclipse, a celestial event that occurs when one celestial body obscures another. This intriguing phenomenon is a result of the perfect alignment of the Earth, Sun, and Moon, a rare occurrence that gives us a chance to witness the grandeur of the cosmos. Our journey then led us to the realm of solar eclipses, where the moon takes center stage. In a stunning display, the moon slides between the Earth and the sun, casting a shadow on our planet and momentarily turning day into night. We learned about the different types of solar eclipses, each with its own unique spectacle, from the dramatic total eclipses to the subtle partial ones, and the rare annular eclipses with their iconic ring of fire. Next, we ventured into the world of lunar eclipses, where the Earth eclipses the moon. As the Earth moves between the sun and the moon, it casts a shadow on the moon, bathing it in a surreal reddish glow. The total, partial, and penumbral lunar eclipses each provide a distinct visual feast, a testament to the celestial mechanics at play. Finally, we touched upon the rare and special hybrid eclipses. These are the chameleons of the eclipse family, starting as one type and transforming into another during their course. They offer a fascinating glimpse into the dynamic nature of our cosmos. So, the next time you see the sun or the moon disappear, you'll know exactly what's happening. Keep looking up, who knows what you'll discover next.